Residents of Berau District East Kalimantan typically hold a boat race to celebrate special events, and the anniversary of Berau Coal, which operates in the area, was no exception.
In this race, at least two of the long boats, usually between 25 and 30 meters, with around 25 to 30 rowers, were overturned by high waves caused by all the excitement during the race. Thousands of residents lined the banks of the Sigar River that runs through Tanjung Redeb, the location of the race. The boats, sometimes decorated with dragon heads or mythical beasts in the bow, have no floor but lateral benches, and they race to win the Berau Coal Cup. The person at the stern sets the tempo of the rowing using a drum.
Sebagai bibit untuk kegiatan olahraga dayung. Pembinaan dilakukan kepada kampung-kampung, kepada kecamatan yang ada di sekitar tambang.
The boats were once used to fish in lakes and in the sea. Wooden pegs and rattan line the space between the planks, which are made watertight with powdered damar resin mixed with kerosene.
Ombak dari kiri kanan, terus sempit sama ketinting merapat ke tengah terus. Oh gitu. Ya, terus yang dua perahu ini ngerapat gini juga, jadi ombaknya tuh masuk ke dalam.
Years ago, the race usually pitted villages against each other, and each village designed and built their own boat especially for the event.